Yo, what's going on, Docs Gang? We left back to another video, and today we're gonna be doing something a little bit more helpful. We're gonna be doing a video on how to tune your 808s. I know I touched up on it a little bit on my Drake type beat video. I had a little segment in it. All right, you got your 808 here. Control E to edit, open, and Edison. Press this to get rid of the extra stuff. Highlight everything. Press this thing. Detect pitch regions. D. But I know that was a little quick, so if some of you guys missed some stuff, I'm gonna go over some of the stuff I was talking about and whatnot in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to leave comments on videos I should do in the future, and also on, you know, how I'm doing my beats, anything, critiques, anything like that. Don't forget, share this with your friends. Tell them about Docs Gang. Tell them how lit it is on this side. You know how it is. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as always, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video or live stream. And yeah, I'm gonna get this video started, and I'm gonna see you on my computer. Peace. All right, you guys, we are back on my computer, and we're getting ready to do this 808 tuning tutorial thing. So yeah, okay. So first, I got this MIDI to use as a reference for the 808s. So it's just from my free MIDI kit, my fully reloaded MIDI kit. Download link is in the description. Check it out, it's free. But yeah, so here's the MIDI, and here's what it sounds like. And that's it. Okay, so now when you're putting on 808s, you normally go to the piano roll, and you know what I would hope you would do is match it up with some of these notes, or you know, you can go out of the scale if you want, but normally you would match it up with these notes. So let's say I put this one here. It should sound correct, right? Well, listen to this. Let me turn the velocity up, and you know what, let's also actually put just, alright, let's just put the 808s on 2. Alright, so I'm just going to boost it up because some of these 808s are pretty quiet. So as you can tell right there, didn't even sound like it was in key. I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to turn it up even higher so you guys can hear it more. Didn't even sound like it was in key. And G sharp is clearly in the scale of the, what's it called, of the melody. So same thing with these 808s too. Does the exact same thing. It's just not in key because these 808s. Alright, so yeah, as you can tell, these 808s are completely out of scale. They sound terrible with the beat or with the melody. So what we're going to do real quick is, and before I do this, I'm just gonna probably add a wave shaper to this real quick so you can actually hear the 808. Alright, yeah, better. Oops, why can I not? Alright, so you can actually hear that now. Alright, cool. Alright, so what we're gonna do is click on the 808, whichever one is completely out of tune. You can press Control E or right click on this wave image right here. Press edit. Then you're gonna come. Then Edison's gonna come up, and it's gonna show you the entire wavelength of the 808. So here's your wave, or your wave. Here's your 808. And what we are going to do now is click on this little tag icon right here, and then we're gonna click on Detect Pitch Regions. And here you can see a few things. You're going to see that there's one part here that says G sharp, another part here that says G2. So what I like to do, I just like to worry about the first one. You don't have to worry about this second one. The second one doesn't really mean much to me or to anyone. It doesn't mean much at all. So you just worry about the second one. So now that we know that it's G, that this 808 is in the tune of G, or G sharp actually, we're going to go back to the 808 wrapper window, and then we're going to click on this little weird icon here with the lines and dots and whatnot. the envelope icon. That's what it's called. Okay, we're gonna click on that, and then we're going to go and we're gonna go find G. So I believe that is right here, G sharp actually, which is right here. So, and if you didn't know, it says it right here. It tells you what the root note is when you change it. And if you mess up, all you gotta do, and you don't know where to go, all you gotta do is press the reset button. It's that simple. Then you go back to whatever it is. So it says G sharp. I'm gonna leave it at G sharp. Right click. It's now should be in tune. So we're gonna play it now with the melody. See, now it's gonna sound better. And I'm gonna add more notes just to prove it. Probably not the best 808 to choose because it kind of sounds weird, but matter of fact, I'm gonna change the 808 anyway. I better just use this one. We went over one type of 808. It was kind of simple. You just went to Edison and then you did whatever you had to do with it. So there's another one. So this 808 right here has a pretty long tail, and it also has this like white noise that has like nothing, that just doesn't make any sound. So, and we don't want that because when we play it, it's gonna be delayed with our beat. And in order to do that, we're gonna go back into Edison and we're gonna hit this trim side noise. That's what it's called. It's called side noise. I'm gonna trim the side noise so that there's no delay. So it just plays immediately right after. Also gotta tune it, of course. So again, detect pitch regions, then D. Now we see that it's D. We're gonna go back to the wrapper thing and then go to D, right click D. And that's it, and then your 808 should be in tune. And there you have it, that's how you tune your 808s. Hope this helped you guys. Helped you guys tune your 808s and learn something new about 808s and how, you know, you can't just lay an 808 on the track and expect it to sound good when you put your melody down, so, or when you put your notes down. So yeah, always keep this in mind. If your 808 doesn't sound right when you put it on the when you start putting the notes out or anything like that, you just go ahead and tune it using these techniques. And even if you can't really tell if the 808's out of tune or out of key, you just go into Edison, check detect pitch regions, and then there you go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like if you did. Also don't forget to leave comments on videos in the future. You know I'm always listening to you guys. Also don't forget to share this with your friends, man. Share them, tell them about the Dox Gang. You know how it is. Tell them about the family. Tell them to join the family. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. Don't forget to subscribe. Also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video or a live stream. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching once again. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.